Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Today, we're diving into Phantom, a powerful extension found at phantom.app. This tool elevates your browsing experience, particularly for those of us who rely heavily on web clippers and read-it-later services. Phantom streamlines the process of saving and interacting with web content, offering a significant advantage over traditional methods. It essentially acts as a bridge between your browser and various other applications, allowing for seamless integration and increased productivity. One of Phantom's key strengths lies in its ability to simplify workflow. Instead of manually clipping articles or saving links, Phantom provides a streamlined approach to capturing and managing information. This can be a real game-changer for researchers, writers, and anyone who needs to curate online content regularly. Think about how much time you spend copying and pasting links, tagging articles, or switching between different apps. Phantom aims to minimize these tedious tasks. Furthermore, Phantom boasts enhanced compatibility with a wide range of services. It works seamlessly with popular platforms, ensuring a smooth transition and preventing any compatibility hiccups. This broad compatibility makes it a versatile tool that can easily adapt to your existing workflow. No more worrying about whether or not a specific clipper will work with your preferred note-taking app. Phantom aims to be the universal solution for capturing and managing web content. Ultimately, Phantom.app offers a more efficient and integrated approach to managing online information. It's a valuable asset for anyone looking to streamline their digital workflow and maximize productivity. Consider adding Phantom to your browser extensions and experiencing a more streamlined and efficient way to handle web content. You can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to check it out.